Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Eaze HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Eaze HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.easework.com and make a search. The official page of Eaze HR's account will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your URL, username and password associated with your EaseWorks account and tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your username or password, tap on the link that says I forgot my login credentials. This is how you can log into your Eaze HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.